Behavior genetics is the branch of biology that investigates the relationship between genes and the environment in determining individual differences in behavior. Molecular genetics, on the other hand, studies the structure and function of genes at the molecular level. Traditional behavior genetics views behavioral differences as springing from three genetic or environmental sources: 1. Those influences attributable to genetic effects. 2. Environmental influences shared by siblings, for example, family environments. And 3. Influences that arise from unshared environmental experiences that make siblings differ from one another. One way to determine the role of genetics in criminality is to compare the incidence and type of delinquency or criminal convictions among identical or monozygotic and fraternal or dizygotic twins. Fraternal twins develop from two different fertilized eggs and are no more genetically alike than non-twin siblings. Identical twins develop from a single egg; they are always the same sex and share the same genes. Twin studies have allowed researchers to conclude that genes influence approximately 50% of the population variation in antisocial behavior, suggesting that genetics plays a significant role in its development. Environmental influences early in human development can directly change gene expression, producing a positive change on genes that might otherwise be problematic. Shared environments, sometimes referred to as common environments, include prenatal and life experiences affecting both twins in the same way. For example, twins raised by the same biological parents share a common hereditary and home environment. Shared environments in this sense are apt to promote high trait or behavioral similarity between twin pairs, especially for identical twins. This is especially the case for antisocial behavioral patterns, even in siblings who are not twins. Antisocial prone parents tend to produce antisocial prone offspring. Twin research indicates that, for a variety of traits, the magnitude of genetic and non-shared environmental influences increases as a person gets older, whereas the magnitude of shared environmental influences decreases. That is, as the child begins to spend more time outside the family circle, especially during the process of becoming a young adult, the influence of the shared family environment tends to wane, whereas the influence of genetics and non-shared environments becomes more discernible. Once again, Mr. Rees wants you to know that this video is not designed to replace the reading material but is designed to supplement the reading material and make it easier to understand. Once you have mastered the material in this section, please move on.